Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make big text in Discord. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Discord, click the register option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. In busy Discord servers or channels, big text can help your message stand out amidst the noise, ensuring it gets noticed by others. Large text can be effective for making announcements or broadcasting information to a large group of people in a visually striking way. Now, using big text creatively can add flair to your messages, making them more engaging and fun for others to read. Now, how do we make our big text here in Discord? Now making big text can be done through the Discord app on your computer or on the Discord website, discord.com, or on your mobile device using the Discord app. For example, when you hover to the message center here, all you have to do is type in a pound sign to create the biggest text, space, and enter any for example, any text. For example, it's gonna be Andy. As you see, it's a lot bigger, right? Now, if you want a medium size of the text, all you're gonna do is type in 2 pounds, space, and type in the next word. Now, if you're not happy with that, try to put 3 pounds, space. Now you see it's a lot smaller, right? So let's try to make this one for comparison, and then 2 pounds, and then 3 pounds, space, and then enter your. Now after that, let's try using our Discord app. Okay, so I'm on the Discord app. Let's try to use again the pound key, space, and try. There you go. So it's the same process, right? If you again type in 2 pounds, space, right there, and 3 pounds. Let's see what happens. Right, there you go. Basically, that's how you do it. It's the same process when you use the Discord app on your mobile device, the Discord Windows app on your computer, or the Windows website. All right, that's basically how you make big text here. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.